Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, spotlight, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, side view camera, and moving to the front, we got that lovely black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB seats, and 120 volt. And of course, you can lift up your seats for a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, auto stop start lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at this screen here, we do have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select that is collapsible with more storage outlets, cup holders, your center console with even more storage, drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate. Got some outlets on the side there, storage above and below, storage right there as well. And looking here, we do got a nice powered rear window opener, our park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction, and a nice 360 look of the vehicle with different camera angles. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE45946, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.